Hello everyone, my name is Alexander and I'm from Fullcomp, and this is the brand new BMW K1600GTL. It's a stunningly beautiful and technologically advanced motorcycle that's perfect for both long journeys and short rides. However, there are some aspects that can be improved, like the audio system. We've replaced the small stock speakers with high-quality dual-component speakers measuring 6.5 inches. Now, the fortunate owner of this motorcycle can enjoy excellent music even at speeds of up to 120 miles per hour. The new speakers are installed inside our signature plastic pods, which enhance the modern design of the bike. Take a look at how we've positioned the tweeters. Yes, this motorcycle now sounds absolutely fantastic. In addition to upgrading the front speakers, we've also added rear speakers with a diameter of 6.5 inches. The updated podiums have been specially crafted by us for the new generation K1600 GT and GTL, and in our opinion they fit perfectly. And what do you think about it? Please share your thoughts in the comments. By the way, I have good news for you. Our pods are compatible with previous versions of this motorcycle as well. So, if you want to update your bike a bit, we'll be happy to assist you. We've positioned the high-frequency speakers as high as possible to be closer to both the rider and passenger's ears. A 6-channel processor amplifier is installed under the seat. In the left side bag, there is a 10-inch kicker subwoofer. It's controlled by an external amplifier, which is also installed inside the bike. You will never forget the emotions that a motorcycle with a subwoofer will provide you. That's how this bike turned out. Now it's not just beautiful and practical, but genuinely loud. Want one just like it? Visit our website through the link in the video description. Thanks for watching.